Updates. I'm super excited to bring massive development updates on one of our fast-selling property in the heart of Mainland here in Lagos State, Nigeria. Are you a Nigerian in diaspora? Canada, Australia, Dubai, America, Dublin, Qatar, wherever you are, or you are Nigerians at home, and you have been looking for, a good investment property rather, to buy, to live, or to use for short let or Airbnb, or most especially our clients from diaspora that have been looking for, a place close by to Ikeja International Airport, right? This location tick all the boxes right there in the heart of Mainland, right? So I'm here to give you massive updates of this great project so I can see rapid development ongoing right here, right? I can take massive action because I won't lie to you, as of today now, I just got information. We have limited units available right here. And right here we have 2-bedroom apartments with BQ, right? We can't get 2-bedroom apartment with BQ in this area. It's very, very rare to get a 2-bedroom apartment with BQ in the heart of Mainland, right here in Omole precisely. It's very, very rare. But right here, we have 2-bedroom apartments with BQ, and we have 4-bedroom terrace duplex with BQ available right here. But like I said, we have limited units available right here. So stay tuned as I'm going to take you on a proper tour to walk around and see the massive work ongoing right here in Omole. So look at it. So this is the work in progress right here. So I'm going to climb up there to show you the development ongoing so that I can show you the view of this estate. Look at the workers on site. They're really working very fast to deliver on this project. The last time I came here, if you check the last video that I did here, they were still on this, trying to put all this bamboo, fix everything, right? But now you can see they are working on the first floor of this beautiful estate. So I'm going to climb up right now to give you the update. So I'm going to enter from this side and look at the environment. If you remember this estate, I could remember when we started selling plots of land here, it was selling for 200 million naira, 250. But sales close on it around the 300 million naira. But based on the popular demand, right, we have 4 plots available for sale right here. 4 plots available for sale right here. Just 4 plots, and it's going for 320 million naira instead of a 400 million naira. Right. So look at, they are working on the basketball court, football pitch, right, greenery, and look at like I said, the road, everything has been put in place. The road network has been done, drainage, street lights, right, and we have transformer on ground, right. Beautiful location to really live, to invest right here. So if you are Nigerians in diaspora or you are Nigerians at home, right, and you have been looking for a good property, a property that can give you a peace of mind, a property not under encroachment or under any form of demolition, this property is a good place for you to buy right now. And like I told you, so this property connects to anywhere you are going to in this nation, Nigeria. So if you are going outside Lagos State, you can easily connect to Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, right? And if you are going to Island, you can easily connect to, so look at it, that's Lagos-Ibadan Expressway. And if you are going to Island, so you can easily connect to Island to look at the beautiful view of this lovely estate. Oh my God, I love this place, man. I love this estate, and I love this massive updates and development ongoing in this estate right here. Look at the workers. They are working everywhere, both left and right. Look at it. So all this area is Omole phase 2, right? And we have Magodo phase 1 just close by here, and we have Magodo phase 2 close by here. And at the other side of the express, we have Omole phase 1 just close by here. At the other side of the express, we have Omole phase 1. And from here to Ikeja City Mall is less than 5-minute drive. Also from here to Ikeja International Airport is just 10-minute drive. Beautiful location to really behold, to live, to invest right here. Oh my God, I'm super impressed with this great development ongoing right here in Omole. This is super impressive. Oh my God. Kudos to you can see. So they are working on the, the lights, the plumbing work, everything. So this is our 2-bedroom apartment with BQ right here. And here we have our, duplex, fully detached duplex. This one is sold out. We have like 2 units of a, terrace duplex available right now. And this is where we have the commercial plot. So if you have interest in buying commercial plot right here, we have like 1,000 square meter available right now. So the commercial is going to face the express. It's going to face the express, right? They've already mapped it out already, so it's going to face the express. So look at the land. So someone to start construction on their commercial plot, look at the land. It's 100% dry land. 100% dry land. That's one thing I like about this Omole. The land there, they are very solid dry land. It's not a swampy or wet area, right? And this side is where we have the residential. If you want to buy residential, like I told you, we have like 4 plots available right here. So we have like 4 plots for residential available right here. Just 4 plots available. So I love this beautiful estate. That's Lagos Ibadan Expressway. Like I said, you can easily connect to anywhere you're going to in this nation, Nigeria. And look at the estate. Look at the road. The road network has been done. It's not a flooded estate, right? And maximum security is top notch right here. And you are going to enjoy constant electricity right here. Constant electricity, right? With other great amenities like a gym and fitness center, right? Playground and the like. So you are going to enjoy great, beautiful amenities right here. So our 2-bedroom apartment with BQ is going for 270 million naira for the promo price, while the 4-bedroom terrace duplex with BQ is going for 450 million naira. Like I told you, we have limited units available right here. We have limited units available right here. It might sold out anytime soon. It might sold out. But like I told you earlier on, you don't have to pay everything at once, right? With 30%, you can secure your own units right here, right? And pay the rest within 3 months and 6 months, right? Or you can pay everything at once so that, you'll be among the first batch to get key to their houses right here in Omole phase 2, right? So I want to really implore you, I want to encourage you, don't miss this great opportunity. Like I said earlier on, if you're in diaspora, right, and you'll be looking for a place to buy, to have your own mansion or your own apartment, right, and close to Ikeja International Airport, right, instead of you to go and rent or lodge in an hotel, so you want to have your own private, your own personal apartment where you can stay whenever you come to Nigeria, or to actually use for short lets. So you can see this location is a perfect location to really buy right here, to live right here, or you can decide to buy for investment purpose, or you can buy another stay on the off-plan level. So and at the completion, you can decide to resell to make massive profits right here. And the best time to buy into off-plan is right now. Another thing about off-plan is that it gives you time to spread the payments, right? And also you can see the kind of the materials, all the structure, how you can, like this one I can see the way they are doing all this, they are what they call the pipe for the plumbing wall, so that you won't have any issue with water, right? Or you won't have any issue with breaking your wall after the, after the building has been completed. So you won't have any issue breaking your wall and trying to fix, trying to fix one pipe here and there. So they are trying to put everything in order in places right here. So right, and they are using great iron, materials. So this is the best time for you to secure your own mansion right here. And like I said, if you have interest in buying a commercial plot right here, but we have only 1,000 square meter available for commercial. So the commercial is going for, 700 million naira, while the 500 for residential is going for 320 million naira, just for limited plots and for limited time. So don't miss this great opportunity. For more information inquiry, give me a call right now, and remember to subscribe my channel, like, share, and drop a comment below, and put on the bell notifications so that you will be the first to notified whenever I come with this great real estate investment opportunity here in Lagos State and outside Lagos State, Nigeria, so that I can make wise investment decision. Thank you so much. God bless you.